Banjo mic, can we have the banjo mic please again? Sorry.
A banjo mic?
Yeah. They just say nice.
Too much stuff to carry. This is called Whiskey in the Jar. Oh yeah. As I was going over Popping and Kerry Mountains, I met great Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced my pistol, then produced my rapier, saying stand and deliver, for you are the gold receiver, singing bush, back for the daddy-o, back for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I counted out his money, it made a pretty penny. I put it in my pocket and I took it home to Jenny. She signed the engine for that, she would never leave me. The devil take the woman, for they never can be. Back for the daddy-o, back for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went back to the chamber, taking me a slumber, dreamt of golden jewels, and sure it was no wonder. The Jenny grew my charges, filled them up with water, tender and were on to be ready for the slaughter. All together now, back for the daddy-o, back for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. It was early in the morning, all I was to travel. I got to bed from bed, like my Captain Farrell. First produced my pistol, was she so lonely my sugar to water. So prisoner I was taken, singing much later than whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. And if anyone can aid me, she's my brother in the army. If I could learn his station in Cork or in Killarney, and if he come and join me, we go through Kilkenny. I'm sure he'd treat me fairer than my own sporting Jenny, singing much later than whack for the daddy-o, whack for the daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. There's some takes delight in the carriages a-rolling, some takes delight in the hurley or the bowling, but I takes delight in the juice of the party, a courting pretty